The pandemic has made the business realize the value of staying resilient and to invest on the right technology to survive and disrupt in the new normal. While resiliency means the ability to withstand sudden and unexpected interruption to business, business resiliency takes a slightly different form with IT operation in its center. With work from home suddenly becoming a non-negotiable component, the business is finding the need for its IT to be more distributed and seamless. The biggest hurdle to this sudden transformation is security. In just the first 7 months in 2020, Bangladesh has seen its internet base grow from 99 million to 108 million, in addition to an impressive mobile penetration of 166 million. In 2021, Bangladesh is one of the fastest countries to come out from the slowness imposed by the pandemic. The region has witnessed an 80% growth of its e-commerce business compared to last year, with a projected growth of $3 billion in the next 2 years. While all these numbers are very impressive, the time is ripe for Bangladeshi business to start their business resiliency journey while paying attention to all around security. Firstly, the technology is becoming excessively complex. To keep the business simple, the technology powering it at the back end is getting complex day by day. We are living in the age of hybrid cloud. Today, we are using virtual servers, cloud apps, virtual email clients, different productivity and collaboration tools, compliance tools. Along with this, a multitude of endpoint devices using different connectivity protocols, and all of it needs to deliver a consistent quality of service. Each of these things might be managed by different vendors using different protocols and licenses. While vendor consolidation can be a humble beginning, the security mandate of the business can never be fulfilled unless it is able to prevent, respond, or the worst case, patch a security vulnerability. Secondly, the remote working culture suddenly thrust down to the business by the pandemic. CIOs have to ensure that the employees, irrespective of where they are working from, enjoys a consistent compute experience in the device of their choice. While the data is exposed to the personal devices, the need for endpoint security multiplies manifold. CIOs today needs actionable insights, not an alert. Meaningful investigation, not just a red blip on the monitor. Cisco has consistently provided solutions with the aim of simplifying security and help business embark on the journey of resiliency. With the rapidly changing and evolving IT landscape, CIOs today need a consistent yet flexible security across the company's IT topology, and most importantly, an integrated way to monitor threats and respond in real time. Cisco's biggest security offering in 2020 is SecureX, that does it very efficiently. SecureX is a cyber security platform that safeguards your IT infrastructure with an integrated and open platform with unparalleled threat intelligence and the industry's first zero trust policy. CIOs are also dealing with a unique phenomenon called cyber fatigue. A few months back, Cisco released a security benchmarking study where half of 3,000 security leaders across 18 countries are diagnosed with cyber fatigue. This essentially means giving up on proactively preventing from cyber threats. Most CIOs prefer to deploy a damage control strategy after an attack occurs or a vulnerability is found. In some other cases, they have created a probability and possibility matrix where they end up securing the most critical components of their IT infrastructure. To say the least, this is suicidal in today's distributed world.